Hey, Chef Billy Parisi here from Heinen's Grocery Stores. Thanks so much for stopping in. I'm going to show you one of my favorite cooking techniques when it comes to preparing fish, and it's called poaching. We're going to make a delicious, flavorful braising liquid. We're going to cook our fish. It's going to be absolutely amazing. When it comes to the technique of poaching, usually think of two things, seafood and chicken. You can obviously do whatever fish you'd like, and of course, shellfish. But it does all start with that liquid, and it needs to be really flavorful. Here's what we're going to add to it. Butter, celery, garlic, onion, lemon, parsley, white wine. We are going to season it very well with salt and peppercorns. Remember, this braising liquid should taste like the ocean. Go over to your cooktop, and what we want to do is fill this pot up about 3 to 4 inches of water. Simply crank the heat on to medium, and we want to bring it to a very gentle simmer. I want to stop and say this, you do not want this to be boiling. Your salmon will break up in all sorts of parts. You won't be happy with me. You want to get it to a very nice light simmer. Once it's to that point, you can add your fish. I've got some beautiful fresh salmon. You know Heinen's has the absolute best seafood around, so be sure to select what you love. It's only going to take in between 4 and 5 minutes for this salmon to completely cook through and be so flavorful and so tender and juicy. If perhaps you like salmon that's more on the medium to medium well side, only cook it for 2.5 to 3 minutes. Let's go ahead and remove the salmon from our braising liquid. I'm going to be using a spatula that is slotted. Now, you can serve this as is. It is excellent eaten by itself, or maybe made into a bound salad with mayonnaise and celery and onions. Or it's great even for breakfast time with a little toast. It's like replacing lox. However, for me, I like to put it on a nice green salad loaded up with vegetables. Incredibly delicious and an absolutely easy to perform cooking technique no matter what time of year. Be sure to check out my other cooking techniques, and we'll see you next time.